Alright, the first problem, we have 5x plus 9 equals 3x, or 2x minus 3. So the first thing when you solve equations is to make sure you get all the variables grouped together. So I'm going to take away 2x's from both sides. Gives me a 0 pair and leaves me with 3x's plus 9 equals a negative 3. So that negative goes down with the 3. And now I'll get the x's by themselves. I'm going to take away 9 from both sides, which gives me 3x's equals, and that's going to be negative 12. The signs are the same, so you add them to keep the sign, and then divide both sides by 3. So you get negative 12 thirds, or if you divide that, negative 4 as your answer. Number 2, it says Stan makes $9 each hour and was given a signing bonus of $200. How much money will he make after 40 hours of work? So I'm actually going to make an equation for this one. So y equals m times x plus b. It's linear because he's always making the same amount every hour. So in for m, it's how much he's making. So y equals 9 times x plus b. And the b value, the y-intercept, is what he starts with. Because he got a signing bonus, that means they give him $200 before he's even worked any hours. So y equals $9 an hour plus 200. So how much money will he make after 40 hours? We just make the x 40, and then we can solve. So y, which is the amount of money, equals 9 times 40 plus 200. If it was 30 hours, I would have made x 30. Right? So you go 9 times 40 plus 200, and that's going to give me, looks like $560. And number 3, solve for angle C. So in this design, nice refresher, whenever you have a straight line, it always adds up to 180 total degrees. So here, what we've done is we've shown you that this part of it is 133 degrees. You have to figure out the measure of angle C. Well, as I just said, the entire angle is 180. So all I do is take 180 minus what I've already used. And when I subtract them, what remains would be this value, which is going to be 47 degrees. So if I added 133 plus 47, I would get 180 total degrees.